Hello guys, my name is Jonah. I'm going to be demonstrating my project for you today, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by going through the code and then go through the results and then talk about some of the challenges I had. So the first box we have here is just the imports. Then we have all the definition declarations, anything that I would need to use. A lot of these are from professors' lectures, but I didn't use all of these. Actually, you can see the only one that I did use, which is chart regression. I believe it's a little bit darker blue. I think so. Well, chart regression is the only one that I used. So yes, so the series of steps that occurred in getting this project done was obtaining the files from the internet, and those files were a tar file. You'd have to extract those files twice, extract once into a tar and then another time. Getting the tab separated values and then converting those, converting JSON into the TSV and then reading it with pandas. I had a method of dropping what I didn't need right here, which was anything inside of the data file business with a review count less than 20. Drop that, get that out of here. We don't want to pay attention to that. And then it's just printing the head, first 5 of this. So this is just for testing. Then I grouped the data together. I took the business and the reviews, I grouped them on business ID on that column. I encoded the review count so that could actually be used, and then I vectorized this data file. So yeah, data file reviews business is the one that is the product of the union of data file business and data file reviews. So merged together, data file review business. And I vectorized with all reviews. So essentially it just went through, compared all the words inside of the reviews, and then it took that word and compared it in every other review in every other document in the set of all documents in all of the files, and gave it a meaningful score for how important or not important it was. Just the shape to see what I'm dealing with here. I then converted this column into an array so that I could use it for split and test. And yeah, I'm going to do the same thing down here with Y as well, because if you go to chart, you're going to figure out that you're going to need to flatten something, and it needs to be a NumPy array. So originally I was not using a NumPy array, but now I am. Come down here, and then yeah, this is basically where all the magic happens. So I'll talk about the results right now. I tested with all three of the activators and all 3 of the optimizers. My most, well, actually I'll just go down it sequentially. So here is the first one. I have an RMSE of 3.7, and I believe this is, well, I should probably have a comment down here at the bottom. Rulu with Atom. So did pretty good. And then the next is Sigmoid with Atom, which I think does better. I'm only doing 25 epochs. RMSE of 2.27 does a little bit better. And then I did Tan with Atom, which does good. It's 0.28, so comes in second place. And then the interesting part about my experimentation is with SGD. I'm not going to show, well actually I will show, so all the activations with SGD ended up being a prediction of 3. Still had a pretty good RMSE, but I think that's just because there's only one possible thing, 1/5 chance of it getting it right, and it guesses 3 every single time. It just happens to be right and get a low RMSE, but I don't know if this isn't acting properly, or this was an error on my fault. So excited to see what other people found, and hopefully able to figure that out. Yeah, I think I went over the time, so I'm going to call it there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate you.